Oh my goodness, I got a video for y'all. This video is off the chain. But before I go into it, sometimes, man, Fox News makes me scratch my head, man. And, this is my opinion, and you guys may even be able to relate, or you may agree, or maybe you disagree, and that's fine. But I would not be myself if I don't tell you how I truly feel. And to be subjective, even with media outlets that lean right, I truly feel that Fox News has been implicated, man. And if we haven't learned anything through these forced lockdowns, that these media companies, they will literally take a check, because the facts came out about Fox, that they took the check. Someone cut them the check for them to push the narrative of the Wuhan soy sauce. That's right. So I truly believe they've been implicated, even though they lean right. This video right here will kind of confirm it to me when she uses progressive languages of bigotry, which I'm going to show you the video here in a second, and then obviously I'll give you my opinion and commentary. But we learned a lot through that China Wuhan soy sauce lockdown. And we're going to be talking about monkeypox and viruses and whatnot. As obviously, I'm not an expert when it comes to that. And we know how these platforms are when we get to talking about these subjects, and we giving the truth. They don't like that. They want to hear that one narrative. So I have to give you guys a disclaimer, and I'm sure you guys will understand. If you want to know more about this subject, head on down to the CDC website so that you can get more information on the topic. But, everybody knows I'm a big Trump supporter. I rock with Trump till this day, and I hope he runs again. He would definitely get my support and my vote, 100%. But, I've also been critical with Trump as well when it comes to, his stance on that Wuhan soy sauce saline. I've videos out there talking about, regardless of me supporting him, that part I didn't agree with, on how he pushes that this is God's gift of bread on earth. And I felt that if it's God's gift of bread on earth, then they don't need immunity. But that's another topic and conversation. Go look at previous videos. I'll try to put it in the description up on the video so you can click on it if you want to see that. But we learned a lot through that. We learned a lot about our country and the people in it, the sheep, right? We learned about the people that are willfully just will not stand on their values, on what they believe. And in no way am I anti anything. If you decide you want to do it, then go do it. If you decide you don't, hey, all I ask is don't condemn the people that don't. And it's really simple. So here we are on Fox. They had a panel talking about monkeypox, right? We know that we have midterms and other things popping up, that all of a sudden there's this new thing coming out. But what I've noticed is a lot of people that have been stepping out, and what I've seen floating around on social media and media are the LGBTQ people putting out videos of just, outcries, telling people to support them. They feel ostracized, and they're being affected by these gorilla bumps that's all over their face and hands and body. And it'll draw you back. It's like, man, what's going on here? Well, Fox News put a panel, Kennedy, which now I do not like Kennedy whatsoever, not because I disagree so much for what she said on the panel and how that can affect people like me and other people that are like us, that just state the facts. Have no punch cards, no chaser. They're going to give it to you raw. And I think that this guy, Ned, this is what he did on this video I'm going to show you. But she came across as a progressive and used progressive languages because someone just simply stated the facts. So I'm going to play the video, and then we'll go right onto it, and I'll give you my commentary.
This under control, or is it monkey see, monkey don't, Ned?
I can't even believe that people are taking Fauci seriously these days. It's unbelievable. But, you do you, boo. As for monkeypox, I think there's a pretty good rule in life. Don't attend gay orgies. When you look at the New England Journal's report of the 520 orgies that they reviewed.
Ned, come on, man.
It's not about gay. How about not any orgies?
Go look at the New England Journal's report that NBC News reported on Friday, in which of the 528 cases they reviewed, 95% were sex between men. I think we actually have to have a serious conversation about where this is coming from. When I'm done, Brad, you can talk. instead of going crazy and declaring a national pandemic when 3,000 people have it right now. It's insane.
I don't know, man. You don't have to be gay to get monkeypox, and you don't have to be bigoted when you talk about treating something that is that easily spread, Marie.
It's not bigot.
Yeah, it is.
This is science, Kennedy. 95% of the cases from the New England Journal.
You know what? I'm going to let Brad respond. Okay, I'm going to let Brad respond because, Brad, we had 372 doses. The United States, in Denmark, where the smallpox, monkeypox vaccine is manufactured, they were ready to go, but because this has been an issue for more men in the gay community, it seems like it has been lower on the priority list. Brad.
Yeah, look, Ned is right when he says that monkeypox right now is mostly affecting gay men. The problem is that public health-wise, not going to orgies in general is a good policy to not get sexually transmitted diseases.
100%.
And so we have to be really careful. We saw with the AIDS crisis, with the HIV crisis, about how certain communities or certain gay people will be stigmatized over something that lots of people do. And we got to be careful about that. But back to the main topic here, we've got to be very careful about these emergency powers.
And there lies the problem. I mean, Kennedy's choice of words of referring to the man as a bigot is just absurd. All he did was state the facts. I mean, it was harsh. It was straightforward, no chaser, but it was the truth. I even dug in a little bit deeper to see what this New England report was and what they had to say about their findings. And I have to be straightforward with you. All the stuff that I see on social media and media, it is people of the LGBTQP community coming out and making videos about it, like this one in particular.
Wallace thinks he caught the virus at a bar July 4th weekend.
I'm going to say I probably was kissing somebody that had it and didn't know it, just based on where my initial lesions pop up.
But
so it makes me wonder, maybe it's too much booty juice swapping. I don't know, but I'm going off what I see and what the articles and what the science has been putting out. They're classifying it as a sexually transmitted disease, and it's prevalent within the gay community. And, you know, to just refer to the man as a bigot puts a lot of people in danger, and this is the problem that we're in now. You state the facts. My homeboy Topher got a song called Facts Are Racist. When we state the facts, somehow we're racist, we're white supremacy, and we're bigots. And it's not the truth. So I dug in a little bit deeper on this article, the New England Journal of Medicine, right? And you know, before I go into it, I always got to give the disclaimer because we know how these social media platforms are. If you want more information on the subject, make sure you go down to that CDC website. But this is the study that Ned was referring to. And these are the results of it. We report 528 infections diagnosed between April 27th and June 24, 2022 at 43 sites in 16 countries. Overall, 98% of the persons with infections were gay or bisexual men. 75% were white, and 41% had human immunity deficiency virus infections. The median age was 38 years. The transmission was suspected to have occurred through sexual activity in 95% of the persons with the infection. So when I went and I looked at this, I said, well, what Ned is saying is 100% true. He's going off what the people on the left always say, we got to go off the science. He went off the science. He stated the facts. Maybe we should stop going to gay orgies. I mean, the guy said just during a July 4th weekend, he must have been kissing somebody that had the gorilla bumps, and it spread. And you know, I will agree with Kennedy and the other panelists. That's obviously he's a gay man. I will agree. You know, yes, the science, everything is showing and pointing towards the gay community are the ones that it's very prevalent in. Can other people get it that are not gay? Yes. The study even said bisexual. And a bisexual is someone that is gay and goes and mess with women and men, and you know, they just do what they do. So it can easily be spread to heterosexuals and anybody else. So I'll agree with that. And they brought up the whole AIDS thing. I remember they were demonizing people of the gay communities. We know that when it comes to viruses spread, and it can't be just placed on one particular group of people. Although with this gorilla bump subject, 95% is not mostly, it's damn near all of them, right? And we know it's starting from there, it's stemming from there, and it's going to spread out to other people. So, you know, I don't know what your thoughts are. My thoughts are is, hey, I think this is dangerous language, especially coming from Fox. Kennedy using progressive language of it's bigoted when the man stated straight facts. And I also think that the gay community, which, hey, I don't agree with the lifestyle. I don't hate you. I don't think people should hate on you. You should live the life you want to live, right? But I think that to be contributor factors to our society, the gay community should be the forerunners of locking down to stop the spread. Gay people should stop going to gay orgies and doing whatever it is that they do, and to help our society so we don't all have to be forcibly locked down. Gay folks should just be the forerunners and lock down for 2-3 weeks to slow the spread. So, you know, I'm not going to make this video long. I thought this was off the chain. I appreciate Ned for stating the facts. Yes, it was harsh. It was given to you with no chasers. I want to know your thoughts on the subject. And, man, if you're new to the channel, thank you for supporting the channel. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Y'all know, y'all that been supporting me since I started my channel. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. If you want to put a middle finger to the algorithm, please like, comment, and share, because you could save somebody's life. As y'all know, we have a country to save. It's your boy Craig Long 45. You can't make this shit up. Peace.
Yeah, oi. You're old.